All right, guys, we're going to get started. If people trickle in, they'll trickle in. We're going to hopefully get you some certifications. So,
yeah, we have one right now.
All right. Yeah. All right, so welcome to Certification 101. I am Lucien Lockhart. I have been with VIPKID for 1 year, and I started off in low bookings, as in the first 38 days, I had 0 classes. I have some things that I think might help you today, because I have been in community theater since 2006, and a lot of what I do on this VIPKID platform is what we do on the stage. So today is going to be twofold. The first half, I'm going to just go over VIP, what their requirements are for certifications, and give you some ideas of what you need to have before you hit that record button in the practice room. And then what I'm going to do is give the last 30 minutes over to you. So if it's only you two ladies, you are going to get to practice more than one slide. Okay? And we'll critique each other, give some background, give you some encouragement, some tips on what you can do to improve the first time. All right, so let's get started.